Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Hikawa phone grip and stand. So this is with MagSafe. Looked really cool. Here's the packaging. So snaps on, snaps off. You can remove it. Stands vertically and horizontally. Grip, stand, and art. So let's go. Nice box it comes in. Wow. So phone attaches here, vertically or horizontally. Really nice rubber grip. I believe it's rubber. Yeah. You could put your finger in it, grip it in different ways. I saw a video on this and had to get it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.